Hello everybody, welcome back. I am the Exam Mastery host, your virtual guide to cybersecurity and the CompTIA CySA Plus journey. Whether you are prepping for the certification or are just curious about defending the digital world, you are in the right place. Every week we break down complex security topics into simple, actionable insights to help you grow as a cybersecurity analyst. Let's build your skills, boost your confidence, and stay ahead of threats together. If you find value here, consider subscribing and sharing your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing data preservation techniques for CySA Domain 3.2 Forensics Best Practices. So, what is data preservation? Data preservation involves collecting and storing digital evidence in a way that maintains its original state, preventing alteration or loss. This ensures the evidence is reliable for analysis, incident response, and legal use. Proper preservation is a cornerstone of forensic best practices, as it supports the chain of custody and protects the credibility of your findings. Why it matters: legal admissibility in court, incident response, compliance, accuracy. Key principles of data preservation: minimize alteration, maintain integrity, document everything, and secure storage. Data preservation techniques: plan the preservation process. Collect without modification with tools like DD, FTK Imager, or Encase. Capture volatile data. Collect memory, running processes, or network connections before powering off systems with tools like Volatility Dump It or Sys Internal Suit. Avoid live analysis. Do not run tools directly on the original system, as this may alter data. Accessing files change timestamps. Verifying data integrity. Generate cryptographic hashes like MD5, SHA-1, SHA-256 of the original and copy data to ensure they match. But typically you'd be just using SHA-256 because it's the most secure one as of now in 2025, right? Tools like SHA-256 Sum in Linux, Hashcal, or FTK Imager to recheck those hashes. Document hash values in the chain of custody log. Secure storage of evidence. Physical storage. Store original devices, hard drives, and tamper-evident bags in a locked evidence locker. Protect from environmental damage, heat, moisture. Digital storage. Save forensic images on encrypted drives or secure servers with access controls. Use strong encryption for stored data. Example: store images on Veracrypt encrypted USB drive. Backup copies. Create redundant copies of forensic images stored separately to prevent data loss. Document the process. Maintain a detailed chain of custody form, including evidence description, like the hard drive serial number, right? Collector's name, date, and time of collection. Tools and methods used: FTK Imager for disk imaging, for example. Hash values for verification. Use tools like case notes or forensic templates for consistent documentation. Handle evidence carefully. Limit access to authorized personnel only, using role-based access controls. Log all interactions with evidence, including transfers or analysis. Avoid unnecessary handling to minimize the risk of accidental changes. Prepare for analysis. Work only on forensic copies, never the original evidence. Use isolated forensic workstations to prevent contamination. No internet access. Document all analysis steps to maintain transparency and support legal defensibility. Practical example: imagine you're responding to a suspected data breach. Planning: identify the compromised server's disk and memory as evidence. Collection: use a Tableau write blocker to connect the server's drive. Create a forensic image with FTK Imager generating a SHA-256 hash. Capture volatile data memory using Dump It. Verification: confirm the image's hash matches the original drive's hash. Storage: store the original drive in a tamper-evident bag in a locked locker and save the forensic image on an encrypted USB drive. Documentation: log all actions, including timestamps, tools, and hashes, in a chain of custody form. Analysis preparation: transfer the forensic image to an isolated workstation for analysis with autopsy. Key takeaways. Data preservation ensures digital evidence remains unaltered, reliable, and admissible in legal proceedings. Key techniques include using write blockers, creating forensic images, verifying hashes, and securing storage. For the CySA plus Domain 3.2, mastering these techniques supports forensic best practices and effective incident response. Always prioritize integrity, documentation, and security to maintain defensible evidence. Thank you everybody for watching. Please comment any questions or concerns down below. I really enjoy reading your comments. Thank you everybody for watching. Bye.